The next copy key is defining the pain. And usually that's an entire section. So you'll kind of hint at it in your headline, subheadline, but then have a whole section that paints the picture of the pain so that they understand that you get them. And sometimes people who are your ideal client may not have like every single pain point, but when they read the pain point list and in their mind, they're like, yeah. Then we ask questions on sales pages and why we ask them in such a way that they're meant to say yes to the question. That's why we say for the pain points, usually we would say something like, do any of these apply to you? Because then they have to read the list because it's an open loop and their brain is like, oh, I want to close that loop.